भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्। It is said in the Vedas, Nitya Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam Eko jo bahunam vidadati kama. What is that? Bhagavan's opulences. This is Eko jo bahunam vidadati kama. Bhagavan, singular number. And Nitya, Nityanam, and Nityanam, plural number. So these jivas, we are plural number. Jiva bhaga savijñaya sa anantaya kalpate. How many jivas are there? There is no limit. Nobody can count. Ananta. Ananta means you cannot get the limit. There are so many millions or so many thousands. No, you cannot count. So all these jivas, we, living entities, we are being maintained by that one. This is basic information. Eko jo bahunam vidadati kama. Just like we maintain our family. One man is earning and he is maintaining his family. Wife, children, servants, dependents, workers, so many. Similarly, that one, Bhagavan, is maintaining all the living entities. You do not know how many there are. In Africa there are millions of elephants. They are also eating 40 kg at one time. So that they are also being maintained. And the small ant, that is also being maintained. There are 8,400,000 forms of different bodies. Who is maintaining them? Maintaining Bhagavan, that Eka. Eka jo bahunam vidadhatikam. This is a fact. So why he will not maintain us? Especially those who are devotees. Who have taken shelter at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord, leaving aside everything, simply for His service. Just like in our Krishna consciousness movement, we have got more than 100 centers, and one center we are just reading from the statement of Navabharat Times, how they are well managed, but we have no business. We have no source of income. That is the only source of income, Krishna's shelter. Samasthita ji padapallabam prabhu. Therefore Shastra says that you take shelter of Krishna. Krishna comes also to say the same truth. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. He never said that you do this and do that, then I shall give you for your maintenance. No. Aham tva sarva papi bhavokkhusha. Not only I shall give maintenance, but I shall protect you from the resultant action of sinful life. So much assurance is there. So, Shastra also says, tasyaiva hetu prajateta kovida nalabhati jad bhramatam uparajada. Tasyaiva heta prajateta kovida. Kovida means intelligent. very intelligent person. So what should he try for? Tasyaiva heta, to get shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. Human life should only endeavor how to get in touch of the lotus feet of Krishna. That should be the only one business.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.